Buckle up, because here comes the secret of Livegood, the 2x15 Matrix monthly commissions. Remember how Netflix became a huge success with millions of subscribers? Well, Livegood knows the power of monthly subscriptions too. Now, what does this 2x15 mean? It's pretty simple. Each member will have 2 direct affiliate members placed under them by the company or the system. That means you'll still have 2 people under you even if you don't recruit anyone. The entire global membership is placed in this matrix system, and once you pay the one-time membership fee of $40 and the first monthly subscription of $9.95, you're already part of the matrix. The matrix commissions are paid out in the 3rd month since you joined Livegood. Let me break down how the matrix works. Imagine a person on the top. That's you. The system automatically places 2 people under you, even if you didn't invite anyone. Those 2 people make up your first level. Then, the system will put 2 people under each person from your first level. This creates your second level. And the system keeps repeating this process for the people under those persons, and so on, until you have many people under you. When it reaches the 12th level, you'll receive a commission of $2,047.50. But here's the cool part. You don't need to reach the 12th level to start earning. Even if you have only a few direct affiliate members, the company will still give you your Matrix monthly commissions. Let's take a look at this table. Suppose you're unranked, which means you're an affiliate member without any invitees but still paying your monthly subscription regularly. In that case, the maximum commission you can get from the Matrix is up to the 12th level, $2,047.50. At the first level, there are only 2 people under you, and for each person, you'll receive 2.50% of $9.95, which amounts to 25 cents. So your total commission from the first level is 50 cents. Moving on to the second level, where you have 4 people, you'll receive $1. As you progress, each level doubles the number of people, and thus your commission increases accordingly. At level 3, with 8 people, you'll have $2. Level 4, with 16 people, will give you $4. Level 5, with 32 people, will give you $8. And so on, it continues. Now, let's think about this. From the 1st to the 5th level, you'll receive $15.50 every month. This means you can cover your $9.95 monthly subscription fee with the $15.50 you receive and still have a profit of $5.55. For members with higher ranks, such as bronze and silver, their matrix commissions extend up to the 13th level with potential monthly earnings of $4,095.50. Gold and platinum members enjoy commissions up to the 14th level, with potential monthly earnings of $8,191.50. Lastly, the diamond rank goes to the 15th level, offering a whopping potential of $16,383.50 per month. So, as you can see, the Matrix commissions in Livegood allow members to earn additional income as their network grows, and the potential earnings increase significantly as you climb up the ranks. It's an exciting aspect of the Livegood opportunity. It's a remarkable opportunity to be part of Livegood's success and reap the rewards of your hard work. With this way to earn at Livegood, there's no better time to take action. Don't hesitate any longer. Click on your sponsor's link and join Livegood today to embark on a rewarding journey with endless possibilities.